Hey guys, so quick update of the weekend. This time to show you a project starting. So it's related to both of the tank, not necessarily the fishes, not necessarily the aquarium themselves, but more precisely the under aquarium or meuble or support, whatever it's called, but you get the point. To remind you, both of these aquarium are Wave Station 120. It's Italian made, but the support at the base, this is such kind of wood panel, you know, and I had some issue, typically like what you can see here. So 2 years after that we started the tank running, we found out that the main board or the horizontal plate were folding a bit, so it was time to maybe consider another kind of structure, and I switched from a wood system to this alu profile system. You see a little advertising, it's coming from alustech.de, and in fact it's a kind of self-assembly system. You order each element, and after that you have some connector, like you can see this guy here, and you put a lot of effort to put the connector in the profile. So by the way, when you're finished and you have something quite running, what do? Of course, you start again, over and over. Otherwise it wouldn't be fun, isn't it? So here, this is a Alustech alu profile. It's a square, inside it's empty, and the plan is to replace this system with other alu profile. As you can see, they are full, and it's more on the side on some cases. For example, here it's flat. Oh, you can see inside how it's going on. Or maybe here it will be better, isn't it? So you see what I mean? You have some material inside, in fact. And this form here is used to put some anchor. Like let's say here, you can see one of them. Here it's another kind of anchor. Okay. And in the middle you can even put some other connector. You can use here like a rail, or here for the connector here. It would have been a possibility. I was not sure how it look like, and I guess I will have to change this connector. I will ask them about the weight and the stress distribution over the material and the glass, but I think it looks better without this like that. So by the way, I guess you recognize the position of each compartment. Here it will be what you have on the left, or here. Okay, this is a sump. He will go there, and after, the interesting part, this is how I will be able to use one or multiple rail like that. You will see it's already running in the bathroom, and to show you a kind of fixation, this one. This is how to use a little anchor here, but mixed with a power plug. And this one is fixed, but I can move it at any position. The plan is to double it. You have 8 here. We will get 16. And currently, if you see the homemade system, nice looking, as you can guess, as you can see, but Not necessarily easy to build because you have to connect each of this power plug. Whereas here it's a normal system that anybody can buy and install. So honestly, I spend maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, 30 minutes and you get this is 30 millimeter, 3 centimeter section. Easy to build, whereas with this Alustech system, I spend easily 4 hours maybe to build everything. And I have some plan as well. As you can see, what I have done for the doors here, it has to be really precise to enter perfectly with this little screw here and here. So when you get it right, it's nice looking at the end. But after that, the mechanism is a bit complicated to. It's not very easy to open. And here, I have already in head a few systems to try. In fact, finally with some magnet working, because here I haven't tried some magnets, because in fact it's not so easy. You don't have anything in fact in this system. And sorry, I really don't want to put any hole in the stand. So that's all. And of course, what a easy, funny part to move. If I could take the tank like, boom, it would be nearly annoying, but no, it would be nicer. To move it, you have to put away the fish, material, plant. I don't have any plants, so it's fine. Put out the water, switch the tank, filtration to plug back everything, to switch the stand maybe also. And you do it for one, and as usual, I will have to do it for the other one. Yep, not a big deal. Woo! So, that's all guys. Ciao!